Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Red color, green color, orange color, purple color, pink color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Rectangle, circle, cylinder, pentagon, heart and square. First we're going to draw the shapes. Rectangle, next circle, next cylinder, next pentagon, next heart, next square, now we're going to put the color. Green color, next chocolate color, circle, next pink color, cylinder, next purple color, pentagon, next red color, heart, next orange color, square, what we learn? We learn green color, rectangle, chocolate color, circle, pink color, cylinder, purple color, pentagon, red color, heart, orange color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.